The God who answers by fire. Tonight I refuse to be silent. I refuse. I stand for my mother. For my mother. If you did it before, you did it before. Do it again tonight. Do it again. Who fights for us? Jehovah, who covers my mother. Jehovah, who fights for us? Who fights for us? Who covers my mother? Who covers my mother? Who fights for us? Who covers my mother? Who covers my mother? And tonight, who fights for us? Motif Chengetedzai Mai Vangu. Fire, fire. Motif. She gave us her strength. Now give her rest.
Now give her joy.
Now give her life.
Now give her life.
Now give her life.
Give her life.
Now give her life.
Give her life.
She will live. She will live. She will live. She will not die. She will live. She will not die. She will live. She will not die. Long life is our portion.
Live long.
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 Live long. Enjoy life.
Enjoy life.
Enjoy life.
Enjoy life.
Enjoy life. Enjoy life.
Enjoy life.
It's your harvest. It's your harvest. Hey, 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 hey.
Enjoy life.
Enjoy life. Enjoy life. Enjoy life. Enjoy life. It's your harvest. It's your harvest. I decree my mother is covered. My mother is protected. My mother is entering her season of enjoyment. No more tears.
No more pain.
No more delay.
No more delay.
Thank you, Jehovah, because it is done.